You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary. We'll be looking at an example of sentence as well that will help us understand what it actually means, this word as well. But first, how do you say, how do you pronounce this word? Tinnitus is one way of saying it. There is another one. Tinnitus is probably the most common in English, especially in the UK, in British English, now in the US. Americans often pronounce it also as tinnitus. Tinnitus is also a correct pronunciation, so two different ways, tinnitus or tinnitus. An example of sentence. This is actually the definition. Tinnitus or tinnitus is the term for hearing sounds that come from inside your body rather than from an outside source. Tinnitus or tinnitus is how you pronounce it correctly, and now I'm sure you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, and more videos for you here for more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.